Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. You must have seen the beautiful white clouds in different shape moving in the sky. Have you ever thought how these clouds are formed? At the end of this session, you will learn how clouds are formed, how does it rain. So, children, let's start today's session. Children, we are familiar with dry up wet clothes in sunlight. What happened? How these dresses are dry up? Yes, by sun heat, the water present in the clothes converted to water vapor and moves into air. Hence, these dresses are dried up. The same situation after a rainy day. There are a lot of puddles are appear on the road. After a sunny day, these puddles are disappear. The reason is same evaporation. Water in the puddles converted to water vapor and moves into air. So, the water from water bodies like rivers, lake, streams, seas, ocean are converted to water vapor by sun heat and move into air. Evaporation is the process by which water from Earth's surface moves into air. There is also another process responsible for the conversion of water into water vapor and move into air. That is called transpiration. It's occur in plants. All you know that plants need water. It absorbs water from ground and they used water for preparing food and some water retained in different parts of the plant. The remaining water they released into air as water vapor. This process is called transpiration. I think you have learned in biology classes. So, transpiration is the process by which plants release water as water vapor. By two processes, evaporation and transpiration, water from Earth's surface goes into air as water vapor. Then what happened to this water vapor? Okay. Next we can get into the topic how clouds are formed. As we move into higher altitude of Earth's atmosphere, it gets cooler and cooler. This air moves into higher altitude, higher region of Earth's atmosphere, it gets cooler and cooler. At sufficient heights, air becomes so cool. You know that air contains water vapor. The water vapor comes by evaporation and transpiration. This water vapor at cooler condition, what happened to water vapor when the climate is cool? It converted back to water drop by condensation. It formed tiny drops of water. This tiny drop of water is called droplet. Tiny means small. Small drop of water is called water droplet. This water droplet floating in the sky and appear as clouds. I think now you got how clouds are formed. Once again I repeat, When we go to higher region, the earth atmosphere gets cooler and cooler. Air moves up, it gets cooler and cooler. At sufficient height, the water vapor present in the air becomes so cool and is converted back to water drop by condensation. This tiny drop of water is called water droplet. This water droplet floating in the sky and is appear as clouds. When this tiny water drop or water droplet combine with other water droplet to form large sized water droplet. When it become heavy, it begin to break and fall. This water droplet fall in the form of rain. By this way, rain happen. That means the clouds are water droplet. The water droplet combine to form large sized water droplet. And when it become heavy, it begin to fall in the form of rain. It also fall in the form of snow or hail. Hail means piece of ice. This process is called precipitation. Water fall back into earth in the form of rain, hail or snow is called precipitation. Here we discussed water cycle. That means cyclic movement of water. Water from water bodies or from land moves to air in the form of water vapor by evaporation and transpiration, and then by condensation it form clouds and again return back to earth's surface by precipitation as rain, hail or snow. So this cyclic movement of water is called water cycle. Water cycle involve 5 processes. First one, evaporation. The water from all water bodies like rivers, streams, seas, etc. converted to water vapor by sun heat. Second one, transpiration. Transpiration means the plants release water as water vapor. And third one, condensation. At sufficient height, at cooler atmosphere, this water vapor convert back into water drop is called condensation and form clouds, and then and the fourth process is precipitation. These water drops fall back to earth's surface as rain, snow or hail. It's called precipitation. And the fifth one, percolation. Percolation means this water by this precipitation seep means moves down into the ground. Seepage of water into ground is called percolation. So water cycle involves these 5 processes: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, percolation. Water cycle is very important. It maintains water level in earth. Hope all you have understood cloud formation, rain formation and water cycle. I have attached notes, also attached test paper. All you have to attend the test paper. I have provided link. Please watch it. So we can meet in the next session. Children, take care. Thank you.